Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2017 GMC Sierra. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. This strikingly handsome Sierra delivers full-size pickup strength and plenty of modern comfort and convenience. From its impressive towing and hauling capacity to its quiet, spacious cabin and tech-savvy connectivity, this is the truck built for today's lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, fog lamps, bed liner, Bluetooth connection, running boards, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input. Stop dreaming and start living. This handsome Sierra won't last long. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.